Kenmore DS4030 21.6V Cordless Stick Vacuum with EasyReach Wand, lightweight cleaner with 2-speed power control, LED headlight. At less than 6 pounds, this lightweight, versatile carpet and bare floor cleaner, with 2-speed settings, makes removing pet hair, cleaning up messes and eliminating dirt and dust quick and easy. Runtime, 40.0 minutes. Wand flexes to clean underneath furniture with the push of a button. Extra large dust cup means you can cover more cleaning area without stopping to empty the dust cup. The full vac, with nozzle and wand, weighs in at less than 6 pounds. With the detachable hand vac, the weight is less than 3 pounds. Details product by link in description. Get best price and discount for this product. You can click link in description. See you.